How to use your palm to take a selfie or a selfie recording on Samsung S24 series. Open the app drawer, tap on the camera app. Now tap on a setting gear icon at the top left corner. Now scroll down. Here you can see shootings method in a journal section. Tap on a shooting method. Here you can see show palm option. Make sure the toggle on button to take a selfie using your palm or start a recording selfie video using show only palm on your device. You can also use voice command. Take picture by saying smile, cheese, capture or shoot, or record video by saying record video on your device. So make sure toggle on also to use voice command to take a selfie or a recording selfie video on your device. Also use floating shutter button to take a picture with extra shutter button when you move anywhere on the screen. So it's quite useful shooting method on a Samsung S24 series to take a selfie or a record selfie video. That's it. If you like it, share it.